Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking 8.5 by 25 IBeam Deckover. At the front, we have our jack, coupler, and safety chains. There is a heavy-duty 12,000-pound jack on this trailer, as well as a chain basket. There is the breakaway box and tire mount. This trailer has pressure-treated wood flooring, stake pockets, and tie-down points along the side. This deckover is a dovetail with King Kong ramps. There is stone guard on your ramps. This trailer does come with LED brake lights, as well as tie-down points. There are two 10-pound axles. There are two 10,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have a strong I-beam frame. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 25 Deckover equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.